Okay, folks, we're inside the museum on Route 66 in Kingman. Outside was the car show, or still is the car show, and we decided to come in and see the museum. So we'll show you around. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. This is so much fun. I love this. Oh. Okay, cool. Oh, look at these old little, like, license plates. Look how cool. Look, it's so old. They were little back then. Oh my goodness. Look. Historic Route 66 core sample from road with yellow center line. Okay. Oh. These license plates are from 1935 to 1952. A handmade road sign. I don't know if you can see what it says. That's cool. Look at that. Oh. A prairie schooner covered wagon, typically used by overland pioneers. Oh, cool. This is neat. Oh, the Railroad Express. It's a hand. What? Why is there a hand there? That's kind of creepy. Anyway, good thing it's fake. Oh, the National Old Trails Highway, 1913 to 1926. That's cool. You see that? Needles to Kingman. Kingman to Siegelman. Okay, I didn't pronounce that right. And then this is that other word, to Williams. Cool. All right. I would imagine this is all the Route 66 road. Oh, look at that. What? That is neat. I like that. Frankie's trying to pull me. I don't know where he's going. Frankie, where are you taking me? Where are we going, Frankie? Isn't that cool? Wow. That's neat. Oh. Oh, wow. This is amazing what they did this year. I like it. Aw, cute little kids. They had to live like this. They lived like this back in the olden days, or whatever you want to call it. Wow. Look and see that little kid. Oh my goodness. That's incredible. We are so lucky to have what we have now, you guys. So lucky. Keep your nose out, Frankie. Wow. My goodness. Get over here. Frankie, what do you smell? What do you, ah! Don't walk up there. There we go. Slow down, Pennsylvania. Ma has missed.
Signs 4 and 5.
There's an electronic vehicle museum too. We'll go check out. Look at that.
I think that is Studebaker. Yeah, Studebaker.
Yeah.
This thing here. The symbol. I was thinking Tupperware Studebaker, but it's Studebaker.
A Studebaker. Nice. That's cool. Let's go check out the electric vehicle museum.
Okay. Gas.
Maybe.
Watch it there.
Okay.
This is for the car for Tesla.
Sign.
Look at
Read the sign. You good looking Asian. Read the sign.
Wait, the Girl Scout cookies and water.
Okay. We're being silly. Sorry, guys.
That's what life's all about.
Yes, it is.
That's a car before Tesla.
These are all electric cars?
Uh-huh. That one right there, the long skinny one, 320 miles an hour.
No. Wow. Wow, that's amazing.
At Bonneville.
All right. That is so cool. I like it. Oh, look it. Wow. This is so cool. I like it. This is so much fun. Bear his name. Aww. Cool. Nice. Look at. Isn't that cool? Look at that. These are all electric vehicles. Now Route 66. Oh, cool. (1959 to 1963). Trident. Oh, look. I won't drop you, silly boy. Silly boy, you really think I'm gonna drop you? I'm not gonna drop you. You no. No, I'm not. Isn't that awesome? Wow. Look at it. Ooh, that looks nice. A bombardier. Wow. What is this one? Oh, wait. What? Wow, cool. This is so amazing. Oh, you guys, there's a cool one coming up. Maybe you didn't see it yet. Oh, are you guys ready? Ready? It's cool. Look at it. That's awesome. That is awesome. It's a Formula Lightning Indy style race car. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Wow. I have another special one coming up at the end of this. You'll see it.
How are you? Good. Here, Rodman, you got to see your unit. This particular unit is tested.
see buds over there. Look at you guys. Look at this cool thing. Wow. That is fantastic. That is cool looking. Wow. Oh my goodness gracious almighty.
He's next to the wiring and he's here to wire up our batteries for us. Hey, Eon, you made it. Yeah.
Wow. Look at, you can go the Salt Flats at 303.025 miles per hour. That's fast. That sucker's fast. Wow. That is so cool. I want to ride in that. All right. That last one, that was super fast. I really like that one. Let's go for a ride. Oh, wow. Look at this. These old bottles, look how cool. They're in really good shape. Oh, 1977 Mickey one. That's, yep. Look at that. That's really neat. Old Coke bottles. Cool.